What separates the people who build successful businesses from the ones who never get started? It's not luck, it's not talent, and it's definitely not having the perfect idea on day one. It's a process, a series of steps that every successful entrepreneur works through, whether they know it or not. Today, we're breaking that process down. These are the 7 steps that entrepreneurs use to turn an idea into a real thriving business. Let's get into it.
Every business starts with a problem. Not a product, not a brand, not a logo, a problem. The best entrepreneurs are obsessed with noticing gaps, things that frustrate people, services that fall short, needs that nobody is meeting yet. This is called opportunity spotting, and it's more of a mindset than a single moment. You're training yourself to look around and ask, what's missing here? What could be done better? The idea itself is just the beginning. The real question is whether that idea solves something real, something people actually care enough about to pay for. Here's where a lot of aspiring entrepreneurs go wrong. They fall in love with their idea and spend months building it. Then they ask their first customer what they think. Don't do that. Before you commit serious time or money, you need to validate the idea. Talk to real people. Run a simple survey. Build the most basic version of your product or service and put it in front of someone. What you're looking for is evidence, real signals that people want what you're offering. A few genuine, I'd pay for that responses are worth more than 100 hours of planning alone. Once you've validated the idea, it's time to get structured. A business plan doesn't have to be a 40-page document, but you do need clarity on a few things. What problem you're solving, who your customers are, and how you'll make money. This is also the stage where you choose your focus. Rather than trying to reach everyone at once, smart entrepreneurs pick a specific group of customers to target first. Nail that group, then expand. Trying to serve everyone from day one is one of the fastest ways to serve no one well. A great idea with no fuel behind it goes nowhere. This step is about securing what you need to launch: money, people, and tools. That might mean approaching investors, applying for a business loan, or bootstrapping with your own savings. It also means thinking carefully about who you need around you. The best founding teams bring a good mix of skills to the table. The person who builds, the person who sells, the person who manages the numbers. You don't need to do everything yourself. In fact, trying to is one of the most common mistakes new entrepreneurs make.
This is the step people fear most and the one they tend to overthink. Launching doesn't mean everything is perfect. It means you're ready enough to start learning from real customers in practice. The goal is taking action, getting your product or service in front of people and paying attention to what happens. How do they respond? What do they love? What confuses them? What do they ignore entirely? Your launch sets the tone for everything that follows. The entrepreneurs who launch well aren't the ones who waited until everything was flawless. They're the ones who moved fast and stayed sharp.
Now the real work begins. Once you're live, the focus shifts from building to running, and in time to scaling. This means managing daily tasks, listening to customer feedback, and making smart decisions about where to put your energy. Growth sounds exciting, but it has to be managed carefully. Expand too fast into too many areas, and things fall apart. The best entrepreneurs are always balancing two things: pushing forward and staying stable. It's a tension that never fully goes away. Big, every journey has an endpoint. Thinking about yours earlier than you think you need to is one of the smartest things you can do. An exit strategy isn't about giving up. It's about having options. Some entrepreneurs sell their business to a larger company. Others take it public. Some hand it to a trusted successor and walk away. A clear exit plan can actually increase what your business is worth, sometimes by 50% or more. It signals that the business can run without you. That's the mark of something truly valuable. So there you have it, the 7 steps that entrepreneurs use to build businesses that last. From spotting the chance all the way to planning your exit, each step builds on the last. Whether you're just starting out or already on the journey, knowing the full map makes every step more deliberate. If you found this video interesting and helpful, then please hit like and subscribe. We publish video lists covering a range of topics regularly. See you in the next one.